Understanding, Stand with Them, an English language learning guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, stand with them. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering conversational English. So, let's dive in and decode this interesting expression. Stand with them has a simple literal meaning, to physically stand next to someone. It can imply being in close proximity to others. However, in English, this phrase often goes beyond its literal interpretation. In a figurative sense, stand with them means to support or show solidarity with someone. It implies you are on their side, often in a situation that requires moral, emotional, or practical support. This usage is common in conversations about social, political, or personal issues. 1. Supporting a cause. I stand with them in their fight for justice. 2. Personal solidarity. When she faced difficulties, her friends stood with her. 3. Political context. The community stood with the local leaders during the campaign. Understanding these contexts will help you grasp the depth of this phrase. 1. Stand by someone. Similar in meaning, focusing more on loyalty and support. 2. Stand for something. Indicates what you believe in or support. 3. Stand against something. To oppose or be in conflict with a belief or action. Each variation adds a different nuance to the concept of standing in solidarity. In many cultures, standing with someone symbolizes unity and strength. It's a powerful expression of camaraderie and empathy, often seen in movements, social causes, and personal relationships. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use stand with them effectively in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the emotions and values they convey. See you in our next video, and keep practicing your English skills.